Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to stop your iPhone from vibrating. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To stop your iPhone 14 from vibrating, you'll need to adjust the settings for vibrations. Here are the steps to disable vibrations for various scenarios. First method, turn off vibrations for all notifications. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Set the vibration to none and all of sound and haptic patterns. To do this, tap on Ringtone, go to the vibration, and set it to none. Do the same steps to all of sound and haptic patterns. Next method, tap on the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Scroll through the bottom and toggle off System Haptics. Last method, turn off vibration for accessibility. Still on the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on the Accessibility. Tap on Touch, then toggle off Vibration. By following these steps, you can stop your iPhone from vibrating for calls, notifications, and other system interactions. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.